Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Muhammad Iqbal. Dear viewers, since Kabul fell to Taliban, the Taliban's grip over Afghanistan is becoming firm and firm with every single day passed. Within few days, the Taliban will having their own government in Kabul. So, in that situation, many analysts have been asking questions time and again that what does it mean for Pakistan to have the Taliban ruling in Afghanistan? So, let us examine that kind of question. In my opinion, the situation for Pakistan is not going to be as rosy and as happy as we have been witnessing from celebrations occurring here in Pakistan over the victory of Taliban in Afghanistan. So I think there are both pros and concerns for Pakistan if Taliban are at the helm of affairs in Kabul. Let us first discuss what are good things about Pakistan if Taliban are ruling Afghanistan. In my opinion, there are two things that are favorable or that are good for Pakistan. The number one and most important thing is that Pakistan's eastern border, Pakistan's western border will become safe and sound if we have Taliban in Kabul running the affairs of Afghanistan. Many people and many analysts are privy to the fact since 9/11, India's role in Afghanistan had become abundant and enlarged. So India had been using Afghan soil to carry out its malign agenda of destabilizing Pakistan by sponsoring terrorism inside our country. So now pro-governments in Afghanistan will never come, and given the relationship between Taliban and India, so we can expect that India's role in Afghanistan will be diminished to a large extent. So India's role diminished in Afghanistan means it will no more be able to carry out its terrorist activities inside Pakistan by using the soil of Afghanistan. So in that sense, Pakistan's western border, which had become like eastern border, is now going to be safe and secure. And second thing that is going to be good with the Taliban victory for Pakistan is related to its image in international media. Pakistan has been consistently saying that there is no military solution to the Afghan conflict. Pakistan was of the opinion that with the geographical or with the geographical position of Afghanistan and with the terrain like that exists in Afghanistan, so it is almost impossible for America and its coalition partners to win the war in Afghanistan. So now Pakistan's position has been corroborated and become supported by the fact that emerged out of Afghanistan. So in that sense, Pakistan has got recognition to its historical stance that Afghan solution can only be achieved through dialogue. So, if I can summarize it, two things are going to be good for Pakistan. One, safety of western border. Second, recognition to its historical position that Afghan solution can Afghan conflict can only be resolved through dialogue. Now let us examine what are bad things for Pakistan if Taliban get control of Afghanistan. The first apprehension in my mind is that terrorist organizations and terrorist outfits inside Pakistan will be emboldened by the victory of Afghan Taliban. So, in the coming days, we may witness uptick or surge in terrorist activities in tribal areas and northern areas of Pakistan. Number one. Number two, there is a global perception among analysts and political commentators that the Afghan Taliban are proxy of Pakistan or are sponsored by Pakistan. Now, when Afghan Taliban will be running a sovereign state, they will be independent in their activities. So, in the future, if they do any terrorist activities across the world, when discussion will take place upon that activity, Pakistan's role will also be discussed. So, in that sense, Taliban are going to be or are likely to be liability for Pakistan for historical links between the Afghan Taliban and Pakistan. So I think need of the hour is that Pakistan should cover its next journey with greater caution. So next thing will be discussed in next video. Thank you very much.